Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we're doing today is my base makeup. I have just primer on, that's it. And you can thank Wayne Goss for this. I literally 30 minutes ago finished watching the video he made. I don't even remember when, I think it might have been his latest video. I'll try to remember to link it. And then I came in here because technically I had decided not to do my makeup because of the time, and I'm like, go do it, Bridget. You need to do it. You've got lots of makeup, you've got lots of video ideas. You need to inspire yourself, as Amanda Z said, and inspire others. So I don't remember if I've done this or not. I don't look back. I never look back. I always look forward. So what I am doing first is not my foundation. Nuh-uh. I'm putting my base color on. Now Wayne had only put on blush, but I am going to put on bronzer, blush, and highlight. And they are all creams that I am putting on. Was it creams he used? I don't even remember. No, he used the NARS blush powder, but I follow the tune, my own tune. I did my beat of a different drummer. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my LYS bronzer, and I'm just packing it on. Packing it on. Why? Why not? He was putting everything on the face, but my muscle memory just doesn't allow me to do that anymore. Everything, that's why I was patting, because muscle memory. And as you can tell, I've already done my eyes. 2 videos today! Aren't I so cool? Oh, and clean brushes. I cleaned my brushes last night. So I might have to do like everybody else and go through and declutter my brushes. The last time I did that was a couple of years ago, so I might have to do it today. Okay, so there's the bronzer. LYS. I've used it a fair few times and I still haven't made a dent. Okay, now I decided it was time to use, perfect time to use my Rare Beauty blush because it's so pigmented. And let's see what it's gonna give me. Let's see. Double take. Maybe that's why he didn't put bronzer down. Why should I listen to an expert? Come on. He only knows what he's talking about. Why should I listen to him? Okay. I'm playing. And then my high beam from Benefit. What am I going to use? No idea. I hate using fingies, but inspiration is what it's about, and that's why I do it, and that's why I watch people like Amanda Z and Wayne Goss and probably a whole plethora of others that I can't remember off the top of my head. Okay, my hands are a mess now, so I'm gonna have to do this up top. So I'm using my number 7. Ooh, I finally heard that noise. the farty sounds. That's the first time. And whoops. And I've been squirting a bit of my Synchroskin in with it lately because, as you can tell, my skin looks a little different. I mean, I was outside for maybe 10 minutes yesterday. Did I get a tan in 10 minutes? Ooh, I need a workout. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I am not putting any powder on anywhere near this face. There we go. It doesn't look bad, except for the fact that I've got too much on. My eyeshadow looks great. And you know what else I'm going to do? My L'Oreal in Mademoiselle. Perfect. Now, if you want to hear a lot of ranting about videos, about what my ideas are about makeup and about not putting on concealer, yep, forgot the concealer. There we go. My hand's a total mess, but my brushes are clean-ish. I look fabulous, and I'm almost done filming 2 videos today. So there we go. Another playing with makeup, beautiful eye look. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.